welcome to Pepsi MTV What's Up, the voice of Youngistan. ये है करण
और ये है गेलन and we are your VJs for today. और आज के WhatsApp पे media banned from interviewing blast victims in Pune.
अब सिर्फ 14-11 tigers left in India.
Kids being paid to plug junk on Facebook.
We interview Riya.
पुणे में जो recently blast हुआ, the Pune police has banned the media from meeting the victims. This is after Mr. P. Chidambaram, Union Home Minister, has hauled up the state police to do so.
और मेरे ख्याल से it's an absolutely correct step to take. जो victims हैं वो बहुत सारा trauma और ये सब से गुजर रहे हैं and I think we should just leave them alone, guys.
This also hampers with the evidence जो बहुत crucial है case के लिए.
Absolutely. Guys, अब सिर्फ 14-11 tigers बचे हैं इंडिया में. I mean, it's not only scary but definitely shameful.
Especially क्योंकि tiger हमारा national animal है यार. And even if it's not, come on.
I know, I feel so bad for them. लेकिन हम लोग शहरों में बैठ के कर भी क्या सकते हैं?
Of course आप कुछ कर सकते हो. For now, just log on to saveourtigers.com, an SL initiative, and see how you can help.
Great. हम पूछते हैं यंगिस्तान से कि वो इस बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. What will we do to save our tigers?
तो जैसे हमने आपको बताया, we're going to find out from Youngistan what they feel about saving the tigers.
So you know that there are only 1411 tigers left in India. आपको ये कैसे अफेक्ट करता है?
एक्चुअली मेरे को तो लगता है 10 साल बाद मेरे को मेरे बेटे को म्यूजियम लेके जाना पड़ेगा टाइगर्स दिखाने के लिए.
इस टाइगर्स को सेव करने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे?
I'll volunteer for an NGO and like try to help the whole society and save a national animal.
तो जैसे आपको पता है, there are 1411 tigers left. What do you have to say about this?
Well, I think it's a great pity, and the tiger is such a beautiful animal, and it's been wiped out of existence. So it's really sad to know something about our national animal.
So what do you think we should do? What do you think we should do to save the tigers?
I think one thing which really troubles me is that we see people wearing animal printed clothes and using accessories made of animal prints. I think we should really stop that.
Tigers बहुत कम होते जा रहे हैं और their numbers are just decreasing. आपको क्या लगता है इस बारे में?
अब तो मुझे फिलहाल लगता है कि मुझे अब टाइगर्स सिर्फ पोस्टर्स और फोटोज और स्टैम्प्स पे ही दिखेंगे.
Absolutely. तो आप क्या करेंगे इसको चेंज करने के लिए?
फॉरेस्ट कटिंग को पहले कम करना चाहिए. हमें इनका जो एनवायरनमेंट है, उनका जो घर है, होम है जैसे बोलते हैं, वो उनका बचाना चाहिए.
तो जैसे आपको पता है, बहुत कम टाइगर्स बचे हैं. So what do you have to say about this?
I think I'll have to buy a tiger stuffed toy to keep in mind, you know, what a tiger looks like, because 4-5 सालों के बाद कोई tigers तो दिखने नहीं वाले हैं.
I think that is very valid. तो मतलब आपको what do you feel should be the solution for this problem?
See, I think all of us on an individual basis should try to donate as much as we can, so that you know we can save tigers, so that we can save the pride of our country as it's a national animal.
तो आप इन टाइगर्स को कैसे बचाएंगे?
I think one of the best ways is by using the social sites like Facebook, Orkut. We can make a community on that, like you join it and we'll save it. So creating awareness is the thing, I guess.
Great. Technology with awareness is the way to go. Go Youngistan.
So I think those were some really good suggestions by the voice of Youngistan.
Absolutely, and I think we all should incorporate this. It is important to save our tigers.
So guys, this time on Pepsi MTV What's Up, we're going to be talking about some really serious issues.
ओए, कौन है मेरे सेट पे? Hi Riya.
Hi Riya, how are you?
बहुत मिस कर रहे थे.
मुझे दिख रहा है, मुझे बहुत मिस कर रहे थे.
If
This
you
is my set, this is my
don't
WhatsApp.
mind, can we take over for just a little bit? One
Permission
small
क्यों
show.
नहीं ली? पहले permission क्यों नहीं ली?
Permission ली
Okay, you guys
हमने
have to pay
producer
tax.
से.
मेरा इंटरव्यू ले लो. अच्छा, कभी सेलिब्रिटी इंटरव्यू लिया है?
नहीं,
नहीं.
अभी तक
तो
तो नहीं.
डीजे बनने के लिए तो आना चाहिए ना.
तो अभी ले ले.
Correct.
अब मेरा लो ना, मैं सेलिब्रिटी हूँ.
Okay.
Right.
ठीक है, तो अभी मेरा इंटरव्यू ले लो. चलो चलो.
ठीक है. तो Karan, get up, give the lady a seat.
Certainly,
अब
certainly,
मुझे क्या
madam.
job?
Oh, manners, यार.